Hi everyone, in this video, we'll show you how to create a fixed price listing. Let's get started. First, log into your seller account. Then click Create Listing. Choose the category for your product, and then select Fixed Price as the listing type. Optionally, you can select a specific region, so that your listing appears only when users filter for that region. Click Next to continue. Now, add the details of your item. Enter the title and description. You can apply the above styles to enhance its appearance. Specify the price at which you'd like to sell the item. Add quantity of the item. Check the Accept Offers option if you'd like to receive offers from buyers. Upload item images and a YouTube video link if you have one. You can also add other media or documents. If you want your listing to stand out among others, select these decoration options. Here, you can add shipping options by entering the shipping costs and then clicking Add. Here, you can review and update the payment and tax details as necessary. Set the listing duration from here. Once all required information is filled in, click the Create Listing button. You'll see a success message and your listing will be active on the details page, ready for purchase. This is how you can create a fixed price listing. Thank you for watching.